This iconic look is a nod to the performance capabilities of Inner Sense. Not only can we celebrate our natural texture, we can also find inspiration from iconic looks from the past. Building the right foundation is critical for style longevity. When preparing the fabric, I want to consider existing texture and what products will assist in building the right hold-in memory. Choosing the appropriate hair bath is the first step towards preparing the fabric for styling. I cleansed using Pure Harmony hair bath and utilized a small amount of Sweet Spirit to build my set. Hair Lift Prep Spray will be my hero product for this look. I'm applying I Create waves at the roots to build additional texture. You'll want to work with horizontal sections following the shape of the head. I create small sections utilizing a brick lay pattern to reduce splitting. My sections are directly influenced by the density of my client's hair. Properly heating the hair will ensure lasting curl pattern and ease when brushing. I will be setting the hair with a 3/4 inch curling iron. The smaller the iron, the more waves created. I'm looking for something in between loose and tight, so my iron reflects this choice. Clipping each section allows the curl to set without gravity pulling the shape out while cooling. Pin each section and allow it to cool. I like to let the hair rest until it no longer feels warm to the touch. When I reach the top of the head, I'm going to create 3 triangular sections. This allows me to create a side part with additional volume near the front of the hairline. When the set has completely cooled, release the curls. I Create Finish adds shine and hold and helps build a shape during the brush out. Before I begin brushing, I use a wide tooth comb to release the set. Brushing from the top down, I'm using my hand to control and perfect the shape as I brush into place. For added volume, I will gently tease near the root. Spray I Create Finish and allow it to dry. The additional hold and memory will help the style last. Once I have brushed everything into place, I will add one final layer of I Create Finish to set my style.